What if one aircraft tried to become both a helicopter and an airplane at the same time? The Boeing MV-22 Osprey is one of the most unusual military aircraft ever built, capable of vertical takeoff like a helicopter, yet fast enough to fly like a turboprop airplane. But behind its futuristic design lies a question surrounded by controversy, engineering challenges, and massive budgets. Why is the Osprey so expensive? Because this isn't just about price tags. It's about technology pushed to the edge of what aviation thought was possible. And the deeper you look into the MV-22, the more shocking the real cost becomes. At first glance, the Osprey looks almost unreal. Massive rotating engines mounted on wingtips allow it to transition between helicopter mode and airplane mode mid-flight. This Tiltrotor technology gives it abilities traditional helicopters simply cannot match. It can fly farther, faster, and higher, while still landing vertically in tight areas. But combining two aircraft concepts into one machine creates enormous complexity. Every moving part, every transition sequence, and every flight control system must operate with extreme precision. A small error during transition could become catastrophic. The cost of the MV-22 isn't caused by one single factor. It's caused by everything. Advanced materials, complex rotor systems, specialized maintenance requirements, pilot training, and sophisticated avionics all contribute to its enormous price. Unlike conventional aircraft, the Osprey requires support systems that blend helicopter and fixed-wing aviation technologies together. Even maintaining the aircraft requires highly trained crews capable of understanding two different flight systems in one machine. This dramatically increases operational complexity and long-term costs. To understand why militaries continue using the Osprey, you need to understand what it can do that others cannot. Traditional helicopters are limited in speed and range. The MV-22 changes that equation entirely. It can insert troops faster, reach distant targets more quickly, and reduce exposure time in dangerous zones. This gives commanders operational flexibility that standard helicopters struggle to provide. Missions that once required multiple aircraft and refueling stops can now be completed faster with fewer assets. Here's where the debate becomes intense. The Osprey's advanced performance comes with a price, not only financially, but operationally. Its complexity demands extensive maintenance, careful pilot training, and strict operational procedures. When systems become more advanced, they often become more difficult to manage under pressure. Some argue the aircraft delivers unmatched flexibility. Others argue that its cost and maintenance burden outweigh its advantages. This creates one of the biggest questions in military aviation. Should innovation prioritize capability, even when complexity increases risk? Here's the twist. The Osprey's true value may not be in replacing helicopters or airplanes, but in creating an entirely new category of aircraft. It operates in a space between both worlds, giving militaries capabilities they never had before. This means its cost isn't simply paying for an aircraft, it's paying for strategic flexibility. In many situations, speed becomes survival. The faster troops can enter and leave dangerous zones, the lower their exposure to threats. The Osprey was built around that idea. So why is the Osprey so expensive? Because it combines two aircraft concepts into one platform while introducing technologies that demand advanced engineering, specialized maintenance, and high operational precision. Its cost reflects not only the aircraft itself, but the complexity of making tiltrotor flight practical on a military scale. And, despite criticism, the Osprey continues to prove that there is strategic value in speed, range, and flexibility combined into a single machine. The MV-22 Osprey represents both the promise and the price of innovation. It proves that aviation breakthroughs often come with enormous challenges, financial costs, and operational risks. But it also proves that redefining flight sometimes requires taking those risks. The Osprey isn't simply expensive because it's advanced. It's expensive because it attempts to do what few aircraft ever dared to try. The MV-22 Osprey is more than a helicopter, more than an airplane. It's a machine built to erase the limits between them, and that ambition comes at a cost. So the next time you see an Osprey rise vertically into the sky, then accelerate like an aircraft. Remember, you're not just watching aviation, you're watching engineering challenge the impossible. And if you want to uncover more hidden truths about military aviation, futuristic aircraft, and the machines redefining warfare, subscribe now, because the next story might reveal the aircraft that changes flight forever.